In today's video, I am going to show you how to create unlimited WhatsApp accounts without providing your original phone number. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to create an account on WhatsApp but you do not want to provide your original phone number, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser, click on the search option, and in the search bar type temp SMSS TEMP click on search. Scroll down. Here you will see some country flags. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one country and below that country's flag, click on free country name number option. Again scroll down. These are the phone numbers that you can use to create your fake WhatsApp account. So select any one number and click on this receive SMS option. Now right next to the phone number, click on this copy option. Once the phone number is copied, all you have to do is to go to WhatsApp and create a WhatsApp account using this phone number. Once the account is created, you will be required to provide the verification code that will be sent to this phone number. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And here in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the OTP code, all you have to do is to paste it on WhatsApp and your fake WhatsApp account without using your original phone number will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.